Octopus IoT device is the latest innovation from VIVAVIS, representing a significant advancement in digitized urban water management systems. This smart plug-and-play IoT solution is designed to enhance the data collection and communication across infrastructure, making operations more intelligent and sustainable. With its plug-and-play capability, the Octopus IoT device ensures easy installation and rapid deployment without extensive modifications to existing systems. Octopus collects data from various sensors and devices and transmits this data to the central system via NB-IoT network at configurable intervals. Additionally, its low power consumption ensures an economical life cycle. Its specialized industrial design meets IP68 requirements, enabling reliable performance even in harsh conditions. The device management platform, Octopus Suite, allows users to continuously monitor the performance of their devices in operation. The platform also supports over-the-air firmware updates and configuration changes, offering flexibility and ease-of management. With Octopus, your networks become more sustainable and your data more secure and reliable, contributing to efficient water management and smarter decision-making.